Hey everyone, welcome to Story Night. Before moving into the next story, I would like to thank all the viewers and all those who subscribed our channel. Let's move into the next story.
I was 13 when I experienced a very creepy event. It was December and my school was closed. I decided to spend my holiday at my aunt's place. My aunt is a very lovely person and she lives in a village area. There's a jungle near her house which is not huge but remains dark even in the daytime. I heard lots of stories related to the jungle. A few years ago, a dead body was found in the jungle by some local people, but I never believed such stories until this happened to me. It was the third day and I was very cheerful. My uncle went out of the town because of his business. Me, my cousins, and my aunt were gossiping late night. Then we went to sleep. At almost 3 a.m., something very scary thing happened. Suddenly, I woke up cause the doorbell rang. I thought I was dreaming, but I assured when the doorbell rang again. I checked the clock and it was 3 a.m. I thought it was so late and nobody supposed to came at this hour. Moreover, the collapsible gate was closed and it was pretty impossible for anybody to get into that house. I gathered a lot of courage to go to my aunt's room to wake her up. By the time I went to my aunt's place, I found her very conscious and she was also woke up by the sound of the doorbell. The doorbell rang again. My aunt tried to figure out who was outside. She shouted, "Who's there?" But there was no reply. She then looked through the door viewer, but nobody was there. I never found her so scared before. The doorbell was continuously ringing every 2 to 3 minutes. My aunt shouted again, "Whoever you are, stop this or I will call the cop." But there was no sound. It was 4 a.m. My aunt called the cop. They couldn't find anybody or any evidence. We checked the doorbell and it was all okay. We couldn't sleep the rest of the night. I stayed there a couple more days, but nothing occurred again. That night still haunts me.
I hope you all like this story. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon next to it. So every time we upload a new story, you don't miss that. Also, don't forget to share this video. Bye for now.